Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and well, this Ruko Series 1200 really is something. It's a very challenging lock. Now, you might think, why? That keyway is quite open. But just look at it a little bit more. Just look how that is completely paracentric. Let me just take a standard pick in 18,000th, a thin pick. Look how I can't actually get up to pick these pins. Also, you notice the pins themselves are resting on this warding ledge here. And if you look at the key, look at this. Look how you've got a zero cut here, and then, well, whatever the opposite of that is, the highest cuts possible on the key after that. So you've got pins basically resting on that warding. If you touch them at all, then you know, you have a very good chance of oversetting the pins inside, and you know that Ruko don't mess around with their driver pins. So yeah, all in all, pretty nasty. And just look at the key. Can you see anything weird about it? Yeah, well, if you look at the bottom, you can see that this is a 6-pin lock, but look at the key, how many different cuts it has. So it looks like you've got cuts here, and 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 here. And that's because the key pins actually have special teeth. They go in one way only. They've got teeth on the tip which align with more than one cut in the key. It's one of those things that I just have to show you. It makes no sense unless I show you that. So I think we'll just have a go at picking it. We'll gut it, and hopefully you'll see what on earth I'm talking about when we look inside the lock. Right, this could take some time. So here we are in the vise, and there is that beautiful key. Love that double bitting. And you can see here we've got these positions, which I said was zero lift, but they're not. You do have to pick those pin positions. They're just hard to do so because the tolerances in this lock are just really quite wonderful. There we go. Take that out. And what else do we have? We have the tension tool I'm going to use, a bit of bent wiper blade, top of the keyway, and quite a number of different hooks and tools, which are 15 thousandths, 25 thousandths, those kind of things. Okay, so let's have a bit of a go. You can't get a medium hook down the keyway too far, actually. It tends to eat it up a little bit. So that was 3 and 2. Nice. Let's use a 20 thousandth short hook to go down the keyway and just see if I can feel anything that sort of needs to be set like that. So what I'm doing is just twisting it a little bit like a dimple flag. There you go. And then let's get in there again. So that feels set. That feels set. Okay. Back through. Okay. Balance that tension in case I've overset something a little bit. That's 3. Really sort of just test the pin, see whether it's actually set. Just like that. Good. 2 seems set. Good. Right, back to the back again. There we go. Pin 2 now, do you think? There we go, pin 2, I think, a little click there. Good, right, let's try going back through the pin 6 there, a little click. Nothing 4, okay, back through. 2 again. Let's try 3 just to make sure. And 1, nothing on 1. Okay, again, just back through with the. There's a pin 4 there. That's nice. Hear that click? That was a nice click, wasn't it? And that's pin 2 again. So again, I'm just going to try and go down to the back. Okay, that all seems nice. It actually seems to be picked, so I don't know what's holding us back up. There we go, click pin 2 and we are open. Look at that. Wow. Okay, very subtle lock to pick. Nice clicks if you heard those clicks. I say partially disassembled it, I just took the back off. It's a strange lock, this one. Obviously it's a cam, there's the cam bit of the lock. And yeah, where's the following? Let's get a follower. Where are you? Ah, here we are. And what we can do is we can just gently push out that core. I don't need a shim with this one, I don't think. There we go. And let's have a look at these pins. And okay, that was embarrassing. Just ran out of memory there. Had to delete some stuff. But anyway, there we go. We're back. And oh, well, that's 1 and where are we? 1 and 6. There we go. Now I want to show you these pins. They're really cool. 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, yeah. So these are really cool pins. Really cool. Have to show you these straight away. I just need to make sure they're the right way up. Yep. And we'll see how they interact with the key. So first of all, let's have a look at the plug. And you can see in there, so get some light in there for you, that it's semi-threaded. Can you see the threading just here? There. And also you'll see it's got these little notches either side. Why? It's because the pins are oriented, there's a pin, by these little lugs. And you see how they got chiseled tips and 2 angles on them. So there, you see here, that's something and then that's something. Some of them are a bit more extreme. Let's grab another one, see if I can show you. It looks like, so some of them are very subtle like that. You see it's like got 2 points on it. It's not a chisel tip per se, it's got a point there and a point there. I'm just trying to find another one. Really quite interesting. This one is a better one to show you, I think. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, can you see the 2 tips there and there in particular? And this is pin 5, so let's grab a key, like this one. And you should be able to see there how, turn it around so it's flat, how it will interact with there, just like that. See, those teeth will turn the camera. Sorry, turn it to the camera a bit more. So those teeth will interact with that double bitting. See, just like that. Very cool, isn't it? So you see all these pins are cut very specifically. I imagine that you need to, get a key cut. So it has all these notches and pinned up by probably ASA themselves, ASA Abloy. I can't imagine many locksmiths having the equipment to be able to cut keys and pins for this lock. Very, very cool. The driver pins, here we go, let's have a look. Let's pull these out. These are your classic steel ASA barrel spools with the sharp lips, and those lips are designed, and these are balanced stacks. I don't know whether you can see there, but when you've got a short key pin, you've got a long drive. When you've got a long drive pin, you've got a short key pin, and vice versa. So let me just bring that up to the camera and you can see, look at those. And these appear to be all steel pins, and you can see how, to get the longest one there, which is on the shortest stack. You see how those lips there, look at that, will engage with the threading on the side and really sort of catch it as it comes up. Yeah, very cool indeed. So there you go. What a awesome lock there. That Ruko Series 1200. Absolutely love it. What a lock. Very actual tricky pick, very hard to pick, but I hope you enjoyed watching me pick it. I certainly enjoyed picking it, and I'll see you all next time.